How to reset MetaTrader 5 demo account. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will be showing you how you can reset your MetaTrader 5 demo account. Whether you're looking to start fresh or try a new strategy, resetting your demo account can give you a clean slate. So let's just get started. So first thing you need to do is open up the MetaTrader 5 on your mobile phone, and if you don't have it installed yet, you can just download it from the MetaTrader website or your app store. Once the MetaTrader 5 is opened on your device, you will be taken to this section. If you already have opened up your demo account, you will be seeing all your existing accounts, including the demo accounts that you've created. So to reset your demo account or to delete the demo account after you have seen your demo account, you're going to go to the top right corner of your screen and you're going to tap on the three dot, and you can easily find this option called delete account right here. And then you can confirm this delete account and click on yes, and your account will be deleted. So if you change your mind and if you want to open up your account, you can just go ahead and tap on this plus icon again, add trading account, and tap on this again to find a broker. Or you can just create an account just normally how you normally do. And that is how you normally delete your your account or reset your MetaTrader's demo account on your mobile device. And now you can start practicing new strategies or trading techniques with your fresh demo account. So if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more trading tips and tutorials. And thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.